Hello everyone. This is With Motion. Today we use a drone to demonstrate the operation effect of the WT9011 BCL-BT50 Bluetooth Attitude sensor. Firstly, we follow the steps to connect the sensor with the host computer fixed on the drone. Secondly, remotely control the drones to take off. You can see the data is displayed on the computer in real time. No delay in data transmission during the movement of the drone. Move up and move down. Bend left and bend right. Raise up the drone height to 80 米. Moving the drone at this altitude, our sensor data transmission remains stable. The sensor is connected via Bluetooth 5.0 and compatible for Android iOS phone and PC. Compact and light in weight, only 9 kilograms. Easy to attach on any device. Widely used for robotics, motion monitoring, gesture recognition, medical rehabilitation, RVR, virtual interaction, and more. Bluetooth signal coverage distance up to 50 米. Battery life up to 8 小时 hours. It can measure object angle, acceleration, angular velocity, and other attitude data with high precision. Built-in 3D simulation, line graph observation, and data recording. Up to 4 sensors can be connected simultaneously.